Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to delete a watch list on TradingView app, remove and manage your watch list. So to remove the item from the watch list, you can simple long press on the item. Then after here you will see at the bottom side a remove button. You can simple tap the remove button and then again click on a delete button to confirm delete the item from your watch list. Okay, here is how you will easily do this. Or if you want to add some item, you can simple select and then click on plus icon. Okay, and also once you here, like if you are not found your item in the watch list, don't worry, click on plus icon, select the item, and then you can simple again press on the check button to remove the item, and here you will see the message will come that the item will be removed from the watch list. So here is how you can easily empty your watch list in TradingView application. Goodbye.